Susan.
And action!
So,
I never said I was good at this. That was your problem for assuming.
I mean, you were the one who decided you wanted to do that. So, based on that marvelous introduction, Mom's questioning your introduction.
No, I think it was great.
She approves of my
I
crazy.
approve. I like it a little crazy. You gotta be a little boop.
All right, we will be opening, because Mama has help, we can fit 2 Doorables Academy packs in one video.
2 Academy boxes.
So, the question is, do we have 5? I only have one hand. 6 or 7?
They feel the same, actually.
They're pretty close.
So, everybody take your guesses and say after it. There's my little stitch. Boop, boop.
What?
He's gonna work home.
Number 6.
I'll say 6. Why not? It's right in the middle.
You forgot. How many do you think?
6.
I am going to go with 7 and 5.
They feel the exact same. Eat.
All right. Okay. Oh, wait. You got to pull the tabs. Please hold. My favorite school teacher and Susan. By the way,
my favorite person. Let's get this right.
Okay. Apparently, Susan's my favorite person. I'm afraid of death if I say otherwise.
That's a great choice.
So
Ready?
I guess 7 and 5. They both said 6.
I said 6. 3.
You're the manufacturer.
The manufacturer, that's right.
1.
5.
You guys both have 5.
both
Okay,
have 5.
let's get them out. I am being sassed. I believe they would like to do the honorary eating of the boxes. There are no animals behind you.
Right. We don't want to hurt. We do not hurt any animals.
Correct.
No
Purposefully.
animals were harmed in the making of this video. Only a Rachel.
Yeet.
Susan, what do you say?
La la la.
Yeet.
There we go. Okay, so each of you can pick one and start guessing. Crazy people. Who do you think it is?
I think I have Piglet.
And I think I'm Baymax.
Okay.
No, I have Mickey.
That is a new one. We do not have that. That's new. Yes, we already do have him. Put him in the jardin. All right, on to the next one. Jolly good. Who do you think?
I think I have Dewey.
I think I have Dewey or Louie, so this should be interesting.
I do not have one of
I
them.
do not either.
You guys,
But I have a Merida.
we do not have Merida,
I have Mulan.
and I do not think we have that
And
Mulan
Merida
yet.
is a club, and she's a rare. She's archery.
Perfect, and Mulan is also a rare. So,
And she is from the student body.
and now we know that both of these boxes are ones we don't already have.
Yay!
Yay! We have 3 more to guess. Susan, who do you think you have?
I think it may be Eeyore.
Okay,
That would be great.
that would be really great.
Yes, I think this is Judy Hopps.
Okay.
I am right!
Yay! That's a new one!
There's Judy Hopps. Do we have this?
We have that Judy Hopps already, so that is a dupe.
Mine's an ultra rare.
Yes.
Judy
And I
Hopps
believe
is very cute, but
Judy Hopps is a rare.
She's a rare, but she's going in Le
Jardin dupe. Very nice. All right. It's getting there. We have 2 more left. Who do you think it is? Think it's a
I
duck?
got a duck.
Okay.
I think I got
3rd
one of
time's the
kids.
charm.
I am thinking Tiana.
Okay.
I am wrong. Oh, I have a...
Which
Is that
one?
Chip or Dale? That's Dale.
I have
Red nose.
Dale.
Okay, we already have Dale, so that goes in Le Jardin dupe.
We have Christophe, who I think we've had multiple.
Yes, so
Christophe.
those both go in Le Jardin dupe.
Le Jardin.
Boo.
All right, we are on to our last ones. That was chaos.
That was so that more fit in there.
Okay, gotcha. So we are on to our last ones of these 2 multi-peaks. Susan, who do you think it is?
Nosemore?
Knowsmore, okay.
I would love this to be Marie, but I don't think it is.
All right, let's see. Who is it?
What?
You got it right! That's a new one! That's great!
This is a second ultra rare from my pack.
Your pack was a good pack.
And I was actually right.
You
It
got
is
Marie.
Good! We got 2 more new ones!
Yes, we needed Marie.
Yay, so let's add them to our stash for this one and show you everybody what we... All right, so here's all of the new ones here. This is a common. She is a rare. Common. I believe that Merida is a rare. And then we have 2 ultra rares here.
Merida is a rare.
And we have a noisy pupper over here. Go to sleep.
Poor puppy. Poor puppy hears rustle of paper and thinks it's snacks.
Yeah, she loves snacks. So final words.
I had a good pack.
You did.
I'm excited that we got 6 new ones. Woo-hoo!
Yes.
I
Woohoo!
am the good luck charm.
We are getting closer to full completion. We shall get there. Woohoo!